Hey guys, Reece here from Outback Equipment. Today we're bringing you a product review from Projecta. We're going to be covering the 150 amp dual battery isolator kit. So straight out of the box, it comes with everything you need to fit a secondary battery in a fixed voltage alternator system. Obviously we have our 150 amp voltage sensitive relay. Then we have our positive terminal distribution panel, which comes with the appropriate fuses. Positive terminal for your secondary battery. Comes with the appropriate fitting kit as well, so it comes with positive and negative colored heat shrink. We've got zip ties for cable management, cable lugs and nylock nuts. It also comes with the appropriate gauge, positive and negative cable, and instructions. Alright guys, so before purchasing this product, we do recommend that you find out if your vehicle has a fixed voltage alternator or a variable voltage alternator, as this unit only does cut in at 13.4 volts, so it needs to reach that before it starts charging your second battery, and then cuts out at 12.8. So this unit is safe and recommended to mount in the engine bay. You want to mount it as close to your second battery as possible. The DBC 150 also does have a jump start feature, so should your start battery run flat, there's a push button on the top of the unit itself that can link both the batteries back, and it'll allow it to jump start the vehicle. So when mounting this unit, it comes with two brackets that are universal. We recommend mounting it away from any moving and hot parts, just to make sure we can extend the longevity and the life of the product. So the positive battery terminal distribution block that it comes with is just to extend the factory one that's already on there. As you know, when you're putting lots of accessories on your batteries, you run out of space and it just gets all cluttered. This unit provides 3 or 4, depending on the size of your cable and your lugs, external outputs. The battery distribution terminal comes with two 30 amp midi fuses and one 150 amp fuse. So it's got 2 extra channels, so you can run all your auxiliary feeds off of it at the same time. The voltage sensitive relays are a really good option for the budget, weekender. Just a really easy to fit option compared to BCDCs, and the price is so much better. And it gives you peace of mind of not having a flat battery in the morning after you've left your lights and fridge on. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comments down below. We'll be sure to answer them. You can find this Projecta product on our website, outbackequipment.com.au, all day, every day, 7 days a week. Thank you for watching. This is Reece. We'll catch you next week.
Sign off.
Sign off? Oh God. This is Reece.